Alright guys, I'm running this for Joe Bold. He's got the Reds Peanut Snoopy from this year, 8:04 p.m. Type live. We are live. 8:04 p.m. 8:04 p.m. Here's the list, 10 spots. And we're going to drop that into random. We're going to get rid of these money signs here just so they don't cause an issue. I know sometimes the GIF file money signs sometimes cause issues. Alright, 10 entries and roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. Kyle on top, Derek on the bottom. Good luck. 7. Good luck. We're going 7 times. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats, Derek. Spot number 9. You are the winner. Get in touch with Joe and he will get that out to you. We are done. 8:05 p.m. We will go back, type done. We are done. 8:05 p.m. 8:05 p.m. Timestamp and verification.